Hi, I'm Julie Lemons. Welcome to Casa 1880.
We are located in the heart of La Paz. We are 1 block away from the cathedral that was built in the 17th century and just a few blocks away from the ocean front, from the Malecón.
My husband and I decided 4 years ago to come on a vacation to Cabo. We looked at properties and ended up purchasing what was called before Angel Azul, which is now Casa 1880.
This used to be the Palace of Justice. It was officially inaugurated as the Palace of Justice in March of 1880.
And we basically renovated the entire hotel the first 2 years. So we became open to the public, and since then, all of La Paz has been visiting Casa 1880 and our beautiful bistro in the Explorers Club. I invite you to come and see this space and to come enjoy the details of every single room that we designed. Everything's different. The first 3 rooms are black and white. The next are blue and white. Then the others are brown and white. It gives lens to the ocean, to the Mexican culture, and to the refined elegance of black and white being here at Casa 1880. We brought in cultures and elements from all over the world, but mainly we loved bringing back the Mexican artifacts, which we have placed throughout the whole hotel. So come and see Casa 1880 and join our family here. Thank you.